how to change Google Keyboard default theme on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Gboard and click on Themes. If you want to change Google Keyboard default theme, so you will see default theme is here. So if you want to change, so change theme from here, click on Apply. If you want to select default, so click on Apply. If you want to set dynamic, click on Apply. So after change default theme, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change Google Keyboard default theme on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.